Hey guys, how's it going? Now we all live in a digital connected online world where big companies just track all of our online activity and data. These companies are they're good with features, but they do not respect our privacy. At least they did not respect my privacy until I made some couple of changes to my online activity and day-to-day usage. And that's what this video is all about. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, we'll be talking about 7 of the best alternatives to the daily apps and services that you guys use to protect your online activity and online identity in a better manner. Let's get started. Alright, so kicking things off, let's talk about a mailing app. Chances are that you're watching this video on YouTube, so you already have a Google Gmail account. Now, as good as Gmail is, privacy isn't one of the features that Google offers. Well, that's where Proton Mail comes in. Proton Mail is the world's largest secure email service. It offers end-to-end encryption and lots of other great security features to keep your communications private. Even the company hosting your emails has no way of reading them, so you can rest assured that they can't be read by third parties either. Add to that, by default, Proton Mail doesn't even track IP addresses. Similar to their other products, Proton Mail has a zero logs policy and comes with end-to-end encryption. And you can send encrypted mails to non-Proton Mail users as well. For even more security, Proton Mail adds two-factor authentication as an additional layer of protection for every mail that you send. Now, while there are some premium memberships on offer, the free plan in itself should be enough for most folks out there who need a secure alternative to the mail client. Next up, we have WhatsApp. And honestly, at this point, I don't even need to delve into details about the privacy concerns surrounding WhatsApp. You definitely need to switch to a more secure alternative, and my go-to recommendation is Signal. Signal Private Messenger comes from the house of Open Source Systems, the company that powers the end-to-end encryption technology in various other apps such as WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. The Signal app offers self-destructing messages, screen security that prevents anyone from taking screenshots, and much more. Your backups, calls, and every other data inside the app, including the files that you send using Signal, are all encrypted. Now, we already have a video talking about some of the best tips and tricks about Signal, and if you're a new user shifting to Signal, what are the things that you should keep in mind? So we have dedicated videos for both of them. Make sure to check them out from the links down below. Speaking of links down below, there is another video talking about some other alternatives to WhatsApp. So let's say you are not interested in Signal, but you want to try a different secure alternative, then there's a video for that as well. Moving along, most of our online activity happens inside a web browser. Now, whether you're using Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, or even Mozilla Firefox for that matter, it's just not that secure. That's where Brave Browser comes in. Out of the box, Brave Browser blocks trackers and third-party cookies that monitor your activity as you travel across the web. It enforces HTTPS everywhere and even comes with support for Chrome extensions, so migrating isn't going to be an issue for you. What's more is that you also get an inbuilt ad blocker, and if you want, you can sign up for Brave Rewards to get paid for supporting them. Now, the browser is just one of the things that can be used to track our online activity. The main node is the internet itself. So how about making that in itself a bit more secure? That's where Proton VPN comes in. So Proton VPN is one of the rare free VPNs that give you unlimited data and bandwidth. It also does not log your browsing activity and ensures that no government can snoop into your data. It uses 256-bit encryption to safeguard your data from hackers while also offering OpenVPN and IKE v2 protocols. The servers in the free plan are limited to the US, Japan, and Netherlands, but for the security features that you get, I still think this is one of the best free VPNs to choose from. In fact, we already have a detailed video talking about some of the best features about Proton VPN, so make sure that you check out that video from the card here or the link down in the description box as well. These features include a dedicated net shield, a secure core, and much more. So yeah, Proton VPN is something that you should definitely check out. Okay, so most of us have multiple accounts on various different websites and apps and services and whatever. And the one biggest mistake that we all do is have a same single password for all of them. Honestly, that's a very bad practice, and if you're going to go that route, why not just get a password manager instead? My go-to recommendation is 1Password. 1Password offers the latest 256-bit AES system to encrypt your data and allows you to enable multi-factor authentication to protect your vault against intruders. It generates a unique secret key for every user who signs up to the software. And every time you sign in, you need to enter this long weird string of letters and digits along with the master password to unlock your vault. Now it sounds complex, but then it becomes literally the only password that you would ever have to remember. 1Password is available on all major platforms such as Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even browser extensions. Next up, with faster internet speeds, most of us tend to have our data stored on the cloud anyway. It's good and it's accessible everywhere, but it's not secure unless you're using a dedicated secure cloud storage such as IceDrive. IceDrive is the only encrypted cloud storage solution that uses the bulletproof two-fish algorithm. It is widely regarded as a more secure solution than the standard AES encryption that most competitors use. Here, everything, even file and folder names, get encrypted on your device before it hits the IceDrive secure cloud. Now, this ensures that no matter what, no sensitive data could ever be intercepted, leaked, or deciphered. And similar to other cloud platforms, you have apps for your mobile devices as well. So shifting to IceDrive shouldn't really be an issue at all. Speaking of cloud storage, most of us use Google Photos to basically store our photos online on the cloud. Now, as good as a feature that is, it's like I said, it's not that secure. Which is why my recommendation to an alternative to that is having your own server using SyncThing. SyncThing allows you to create your own personal server by using just about any old PC and adding storage to it. You'll have full control over the amount of storage you add and can access it from just about anywhere. Now, while SyncThing in itself is great for syncing data, it's not that convenient for browsing it, which is why you might want to pair it up with something like Plex. In fact, we also have another dedicated video talking about how you can use Plex and SyncThing as a better alternative instead of using Google Photos. So make sure you check that video out as well. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps and services that I talked about down there in the description box. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Vam from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.